guys.
Okay. Whoa! Whoa! Whoops! Took out Wade. All right, Wade, stay out of the way. Here comes Tristan. Owen, move out of the way.
Oh no!
Oh, oh dear. Okay, Wade, your turn.
Come here, Wade.
The collisions are fun.
They are, I guess. Apparently. Me.
Okay, Wade first. Wade first.
Whee! Where's your mitts, Wade? Oh, here comes another one. Oh, here comes another one.
Watch out, Tristan.
Tristan, move out of the way. It doesn't feel good when you crash someone.